Hey, Bill Davis here with Hines Realty Group. Hey, I just wanted to show you guys what this property, the one that you guys are looking at, 6228 North Arlington, I wanted to show you the value of it, and I wanted to show you what the sales are in the neighborhood, which will give you a really good idea of what this home value is compared to all the other sales in this neighborhood that compare to this type of property. And the thing is, this is it's considered like a duplex because it is a legal 2-bedroom 1-bath unit, and then there's a 3-bedroom 1-bath unit upstairs. So I mean, it's something that you could also consider as far as value. And but if you're looking at it to compare to a single family house, you're looking at a 5-bedroom 2-bath with 2,600 square foot, which is a fairly large property on a decent size lot. So looking at it as a rental income, it does have a little more value compared to just a regular single family home. So just wanted to show you that this is the property that we are going to be looking at. And so I wanted to show you guys the single family houses first, as far as what's in the single family houses that are selling over there. And let me just show you real quick the area that I'm looking at. I'll show you the map view. So here's all the properties that I'm pulling up right now. Same kind of area. I mean, right off of Hillcrest and all right here on the Richmond border, like where Arlington is and all that. So same kind of area, same type of properties. So let me get back to the properties that we're looking at. So as you can see, I mean, I went 2,000 to 3,000 square foot, and that's going to give us, of course, the bedrooms and bathrooms and things like that are going to change. But as far as the square footage, that's going to be close to what the Arlington property is. And so some of these are 4 bedrooms. This one right here is 5 bedroom. This is the one that you're looking at. And so look at the other ones are 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms. So just looking at the values and the numbers of what these properties sold for, and I only went back 3 months. So these are the past couple months that these homes sold. And you can see that one sold for $560. It was a lot smaller than that property that we're looking at. This one sold for $667. It was listed at $599. Sold for $667. It's fairly close to the same size. Newer home with views, and it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, and a half-bath. So this is pretty good comparable. It doesn't have the rental, income property like an in-law unit on it. But it is a fairly large house to give you a good value of what that house compares to your house. Fully remodeled home though, so Arlington property is not fully remodeled, so that has some consideration as well. This one on top of Arlington, this one sold for $765, 2,300 square foot, 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and you can see that this one sold for a lot more than what these other homes sold for. So I just want to show you real quick why this one sold for a lot more than what the other one sold for. Looks like it was just fully remodeled. Has a lot of views, and this was during a hot market. It looked like in July it went on the market, so the market was a little hotter than what it is now. Everything, sewer was compliant, everything was there. And so here's the properties that here's another one that sold for $560, and then these ones are for sale right now and that haven't sold. So this one's been on the market for 20 days. It's a newer home though, built in 2003, and close to the same size, but it's listed at $699 and it hasn't sold yet. This one on Bridgeway, that's the one we looked at, and it was $649, close to the same size, but the condition was a lot different, but it was a lot newer than the Arlington property. But so that's gives you that idea. So let me show you what some of these duplexes where it has 2 different units on the property. So let me show you these. So this property right here, these are same kind of area. I only went a few months back, so you can see that they are a lot smaller, but it will still give you a good value of what these houses, what the duplexes are going for. So you can see this one right here is a very good comp for Arlington, and this one. You can see that both of them, they're both duplexes, both had 2 units on them. This one was about the same size, a little smaller than Arlington, but you can see that it sold for $550. But it was lower down in the hill, so it didn't have any views or anything like that. It wasn't fully remodeled. And then this one is pending. This one had a lot of views and it's listed at $5.99, and you can see that it went pending. Let me just show you real quick what this one is. And you could see it's a 3-in-1 and then a 1-in-1. So a little higher up, so I had nice views. You can see, but pretty good comparable though for Arlington, but it hasn't sold yet. And they had 2 offers on this property. So at $5.99, I'm pretty sure that it's going to go for higher than what you guys are going for. So I mean, that just gives you, hope this gives you a good idea of what the values are in this neighborhood, just so you can see how the Arlington property compares to the other properties that have sold, so you can see what the values are. Okay, and then I'm getting all the reports, so we could look at all the inspection reports to see if there's anything that scares us, and then we'll reach out to see how we could put a strong offer together after we find out if financing is solid. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later.